telling me to come here. So I'm here in a fig farm in Dubai. It's in the middle of the heat, so most of their vegetables are out of season. So we can only see this fig farm here. They are so big and tasty. Let me show you. Look. Figs. And there's a lot of them. They're there. Look at the small ones here. Cool. Okay, look. Almost harvest time, right? Once they turn a little bit lighter, like that one compared to the other one, that's darker, that's lighter. So it's almost done. And they told me I can pick one. So I'm gonna pick one. Look, I've got two ripe ones here. This and this. But they're small. There's big ones under there, but unreachable. Let me see if I can reach those. Oh, there's another one here near. Beautiful. Just beneath there. Let's see. Oh, beautiful. It's in a greenhouse like this one. See, it doesn't matter how big or small is your space, you can still plant a fig tree in this maybe 10 or 20 gallons bucket. And it's really doing well. It doesn't matter how big is your space, you can always have. Look at this one. And look what I found. A lot of figs in this bucket. See? They're so nice. Huh? There's lots of them there. This other one. Wow. It's fully loaded. You can, once you book here, there will be also a guide. He's our tour guide. Will tell us where to go, what to do next. Now the next one is feeding the deers. Oh my gosh, deers. Wow. Hello. Who's there? Knock knock. Hi. Hello. 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 They're scared of you. Come. Don't move. Come. There are females. The one without horn are females. The one with horns are over there, hiding. I guess they don't want. Hi! Oh, there's so many. Oh, look at this, another colored one. Hey, we are the same color, brown. Do you want something? My friend, finish? Can I have more? Come, eat. This one is not scared of me. See? She gulped everything up. Who wants the last ones? Okay. Can I touch you? Will you let me touch you? Hey, will you let me touch you? Oh my gosh. Hi. Hi, Beauty. Hi, Beauty. We're both beautiful, don't you think so? Come here. I don't have anything anymore. That's why you don't care about me. Okay. Bye. They also have chickens here. Look. It's a semi-free range chickens. They are not in cages. Wow, awesome. And they are even with peacock. You see there's a peacock somewhere there in the back of the water. And hold on. There! Another peacock somewhere there. Look, they even have turkey. So now we know we can integrate turkey and chickens in one building. Awesome. It's a very nice farm concept. They also have quails. And they're so cute and small. I can see a baby somewhere there. It's hard to focus, but yeah, there's lots of quail inside. What's the name of that one? Francie. Okay, these are roasters. They will be very, very noisy in the morning, shouting like 4 a.m. More chickens, ducks over there. So yeah, it's gonna be very nice for children. Hey, hello. Cute, 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 cute. Can I touch them? Are you willing to be touched? Hi. Hi. Look how cute. Let's give the other one some air. Eat. They have a different kind of fur. Like they went swirl everywhere. Hi. There's a baby. There's a baby. I want to catch the baby. It's run away. Hi. Hello. I'm gonna put this inside for you guys. More. Hi. Hello. I can see some are hiding. Look where they are. Turtles.
Go inside.
Hi.
Go inside and feed. I'll take video. Okay, go inside.
I love this farm. You can feed everything. Almost everything. Hi. They're hiding. Look. It's hiding. Another one hiding over there. And another one over there. Maybe it's hot. That's why they're hiding. And another one. See? If you can find it, you're good. Hi. Do you want to feed them? Oh, it's very hard. Look. I'm taking one. Where's the head? It's gonna bite me, right? The head is somewhere deep, deep, deep down.
Can you go that side?
And date. Full of fruits. That's a papaya tree. Oh look, the technique. They tap it up so it will not grow far. And it will still have branches that you can harvest more. The other one, that one small over there, is a male one. It will never have any fruit. The goats are hiding in there because it's very hot. So it's okay, let's leave them alone and enjoy the cooler weather. But if you have kids, it's very nice to feed the goats. And these are their date palms. Huge, 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 huge ones. for those anyone who haven't seen papaya. There's lots of them there. I'm salivating for them. Okay, I found something I haven't seen before. It's a lychee plant. It's a tree. And he gave me this. Look at that one. And let's see. Find something. So it is like this. Wow. Ma! Ma! You don't want? It's not feeding time? It's not food time? Okay, no problem. These are females. Taking rest. It's okay, we'll not disturb them. Sure? Sure? Hey lady, don't show me your attitude. What do you think? Yeah, that's a ball. Come. Great. Hey, handsome. More? Do you want more? Yes. Yeah. Don't take everything at once. That's all mulberry plants under the greenhouse. More upcoming figs under there. Hello! They have lots of goats here. Sorry, I don't have anything yet. I don't have anything yet. I came empty-handed. I should have brought something, right? You're waiting for something, right? Wait, hold on. I can't beat her. They're expecting for a gift and I came without one. Oh, there's a sheep. The sticker. Fur are sheeps. Brown, white, and some black. And of course, these naughty ones are the goats. And look, they are here. It's a very nice experience. Here, down. Okay, higher. The other ones are here. Here. Shy ones. Come on. There's more. The other one is just sliding off. What? You want everything for yourself? Yeah? Right? He's even holding my hand. Okay. The sheep did not come. They are afraid. You want something? Here. Oh, that's a sheep. Hi. First time I patted a sheep. Hey, how are you? I'm patting a sheep. Hi. Hi, beauty. Hi, beauty.
उधर है ना
Hi, beauty. Come here. And then the sliding one is back. Sliding one. See, I'm giving you names already, funny ones. Not including my hand, okay? Hi. Okay, there's nothing in my hand. What? Naughty, naughty, naughty. Hello. Oh, look at this big one here. It's a ball. Who's taller? You or me? Yeah. Here. This side. Here. Hi, beauty. You're beautiful. Okay, here. Okay. Here. And you? You just want the food? There's lots of them over there. Hey! Hey, ladies! Hello, ladies! Who wants some? Oh, look at this sheep! Wow. Is that a sheep or a goat? It's a ram. An aris. Oh, it's a male one. They went already. Yeah, maybe because it's hot. It's okay, understand, enjoy. Bye. Wow. Imagine having a farm like this, walking in the morning. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, for those with children, they also have a playing area. And soccer field. It's quite big. It's well equipped. Lots of papayas! Goodness. Small and big. That's a female one. No, I mean male one. You can see? It's a male. If you see it like this one, then it's male. Female has only one flower. That's it. Look, they have a sweet potato, my favorite. And these are eggplants. They are not anymore in season. So, yeah. Those are very spicy ones. Oh no, they are not. They're not the spicy ones. These dates he gave me is very sweet. It's gonna be sweet and crunchy. You cannot just get this from the supermarket. It's fresh as these ones. Not coming from a farm like this. In the back of this papaya are mangoes. I'm salivating. Want to eat them already. So they can grow everything in this farm. Awesome, even the tropical plants. Look, 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 look. This is a date, one bunch. There will be like around 6 to 8 bunches in one tree of a date. So there will be bounty of harvest by the end of the season. This is just one of them. This is around probably 10 kilograms in this bunch only. Imagine. So we end our tour in this shop that they have because it's really, really hot. But in here you can buy a lot of things. Okay, let me show you. You can have drinks. Of course, you have to pay for them. Water. They have tomato, whatever they have. Those are the figs that they harvested. Some more, and some. They have also farm eggs. And they have dried chilies, honey somewhere here, and more of their dried stocks. Okay, there's raisins, the nuts, and more dates. Different names. I have no idea what they are, but yeah. So that's the end of this video. This place is very good for children. Feeding the animals, they have different kinds of animals, a lot of them. And it's only 25 dirhams per person. So you can come here anytime. It's very hot. It's in the middle of July in a 47 degrees Celsius, so it's umbrella is a must. But yeah, it's a wonderful place. So you should also visit this place. I'm gonna visit here once a year at least. I love it. Farm. You can learn a lot from here. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. This is Pinay Xplorer Amy. See you in my next video.